Now let's see how user is connected to the DB operation. See, we have created the controller which inherits the API controller. This specifies that we are creating APIs. I have created method addUser which indirectly calling the method of addUser with a parameter which will pass from the front end, and it will call the DB operation.addUser. Similarly, we have created the one more API, that is a getAllUser, which will retrieve all the information from the database to the front end in the JSON format. This is the main thing. We require data in the JSON format. Let's see root. This is the definition of root which we specify in the URL. This is API addUser. When they call this API, it will pass the information to this method with a parameter of this table, this class. Now let's see the working example. I have run the project. Just add Swagger here. See, we have created user controller. When we click on this, all the API under the user controller will come here. Now let's call the add user. This is from where we can test our web API. Now let's see, we will add one user. We will click here. I have set this as an identity column, so I will remove from here. This is basically a same structure of our table in the database. Now let's add first name. Now let's add last name. Let me change name here. It's J. Now let's add age. This is an integer field, that is why it is not in double quotes. 50. Now let's call tryout. See, this is a response of above API. I have set the return value 1 for the success. For inserting value, we do not require any data. Just we need the flag whether data is inserted or not, if it has an error or not. Now let's check in the database. Right click, execute. See, Vijay Panchal 30. Now go to the get request. See how different it is a color. This is a green color in post. Let me click here. It will collapse. Now we'll call get all user. This is the get request. Let's call try it out. See, this will return all the data in the data object with the success return value 1, and it does not has an error. This means while we do not face any problem while retrieving the record. Let's see the code. This is the add user. This is the HTTP response. So I have just written the value 1 if success, and in get user I have created the list of user. I have get all the list from the database stored here. I have passed in the data, so all the list information is stored in the data object, and here I am written the value 1 for success and with no error. So this is how web API works. This is very simple and very easy to use, and one of the best tool is a Swagger to test our web API. Here we also get a description of our method, that what exactly it is doing. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.